filmed a video, but then I was in a good mood, so I was like, you know, let's film something else. And like something easy to film when I'm already ready is a what's in my bag, and it was requested for me to do another one. The last one I did was in fall of 2017. It's with the same bag, but it's a different time, you know. So this is my bag. This is the Gucci Marmont Matelassé. This is the small. It's called the small, but it's the medium size, you know what I mean. I will list the exact one that I have down below. First, for what I have on my lips, I mean, it's very subtle. It's one of those, it's a lip oil from NYX. It's in the shade Sheer Berry, but I got a package today from from NYX, and it came in this really nice box with like some cookies and stuff and a bunch of lip products. Yeah, but these lip oils, first of all, the packaging is really cute. I'm definitely gonna be keeping these in my purse. It's an oil, but it's not sticky, it's moisturizing, and it looks cute on the lips, you know. Okay, so just wanted to mention that. Okay, now let's move on to what's in my bag. Now, I bought this bag as like a birthday present for myself when I turned 23, I think. So it was in April of 2017. Okay, hopefully the lighting is great. I don't often film here, but I started filming here with natural lighting and I really like it. But anyways, now we don't have natural lighting. Okay, so yeah, I got this as a birthday present for myself and I really like it. I don't baby this bag because it was expensive. This is the most expensive thing I own. And you know what, like I always had an obsession with designer handbags, and I was like, oh my gosh, I can't. Like, I used to watch designer handbag collections and I was like, oh my gosh, I cannot wait to have my own. And you know, when you buy something like this, which is a lot of money, like it was, you know, in Canadian it was like almost $3,000, which is a lot of money with tax and everything. It's so funny because this doesn't bring happiness, you know what I mean. I feel like when I was younger, and I don't know, I feel like when I was younger I thought, when I'm gonna get these designer handbags, you know, life is gonna be great. And you know, I love designer handbags. I think they're amazing. I think they look beautiful. Like, it's the one thing, you know, I think they're beautiful to look at, but it doesn't bring happiness. So like, I'm happy, like, I don't know, it's crazy. I feel like when I bought this, it was, well, when I bought this, like this guy I had been talking to, like, sort of, you know, things ended and I was kind of sad about that. But then I had ordered this bag. So yeah, I ordered this. Well, I called Nordstrom in Toronto because they have a Gucci store there, and they shipped it to me. So instead of just ordering online, I wanted to buy it through Nordstrom. So yeah, anyways, it was just a funny moment because I was like, okay, I have this really nice bag, you know, I just bought this really nice bag, but like I'm still like not super happy. But anyways, then my mom at that moment, she was like, you know, but be happy you have the bag. You know, I'm happy I have the bag. I'm really happy. I feel like it's a really cute bag, you know, I like it. I get asked way too often if this is real or not, which it's real. Like in real life I get asked, is that real? Yeah, it is. And yeah, you know, I like it. Yeah. I mean, the hardware has like rubbed off a little bit. As I said, I don't baby this bag. This bag has been in the rain. It's been, you know, it's been through some stuff. But I wanted a nice bag to bring everywhere with me. I wanted to use this bag because I know this is more of a trendy bag. Like, these Gucci style bags are not going to be in forever. This is not like a Chanel classic flap, you know, which I would really like to get one. But I feel like this is, you know, kind of trendy, which, you know, not everybody likes to be trendy, but this is like, I feel like a good bag for like a girl my age, you know. I feel like I'm gonna get a Chanel bag, not when I'm gonna be older, but like, I don't know, you know, it's gonna be like more of a statement. I don't know, you get what I mean? So anyways, let's get started. You know, I like to talk a lot, you know. So okay, when you open the bag, it's a complete mess. The inside is like a really pretty like pinky suede, which, by the way, don't think I'm like ungrateful that I bought this, you know. I'm not. It's just, it was a funny moment when I bought this because I was kind of sad, but then I was like, oh, I just bought this nice designer handbag. And it was the first one that I bought, like, not pre. I have two other Louis Vuitton bags, but they were pre-loved. This one was, you know, fresh out the box, so it was, you know, it was like big for me, like growing up watching these handbag collection videos. But anyways, it just goes to show that like material things don't bring happiness in life. I'm happy to have it, like I like material things, I'm not gonna lie, but it's not gonna fulfill you inside. So yeah, if you're watching this, you're like, oh, I'm so like, I want one. You can want one. I was like that too, wanting designer handbags, but it's not gonna fulfill you, okay? Anyways, okay, so the inside looks like that. It's like that pretty suede, but it looks ugly right now. I'm never gonna sell this bag just because nobody would buy it. No, but like it doesn't look too pretty inside, you know? But it gets messy. Life gets messy. I get messy. So okay, for my birthday, I think it was the same year. Was it the same year? Yeah, I think it was. My parents got me this. So this is the, am I showing some cards? No, this is the little wallet thing. And like 2 weeks after I got this, I got nail glue on it, but you can't really see it now. But anyways, it's the card holder. I really like it. I don't like wallets at all. I've never been one to carry a wallet. I feel like it takes up so much space. I never have like cash with me, so I really don't need a wallet, you know? So yeah, I got all my little cards. I'm a very messy person, but you know what? I like it like that. You know what? Ooh, that sound is a tender sound. Girl, I got a date tomorrow. Today's Valentine's Day, but I got a date on the 15th. Now let's move on to the next. I got I always buy 5 gum, so I got an empty pack right here. This is the Urban Decay Makeup Rehab Lip Love. It's like a lip balm. It's alright. I'm almost done with it, but yeah, I'm definitely gonna keep these in my purse. Okay, so this is a brush. You know, you never know, girl, you never know. So I got a brush. It's from Pure. And then I always carry this with me because when I do my makeup, you know, sometimes my foundation is a bit darker than mine. So I need, which by the way, sometimes people say I sound like I copy Gabriel Zamora, or I get Manny MUA as well. Let me get this straight, okay? I only know about which my mom told me not to address comments in my videos, but I'm gonna do what I do. I do not copy nobody, especially not Gabriel Zamora. I do not copy this guy. I only knew about him with the whole drama with like Jeffree Star, you know, because I watch gossip videos. I did not know who he was. I'm not subscribed to him. I don't watch his videos. I've watched the apology video, girl. I did, but besides that, like, I don't follow him on social media, which, like, you know. And then Manny MUA. I've never watched a full video of him. I've only watched a video with him and Bretman because I really like Bretman. So I've watched them. I've watched their video. And then on Twitter, I often see his tweets because of the people I follow. I guess they like their tweets. And one time I saw, I think it was Kathleen Lights, which again, I don't follow her. I mean, I'm subscribed to her, but I don't really watch. Anyways, and she was talking about astrology, and I guess somebody I follow, you know, engage in the post. Anyways, Manny MUA, I think he's in Aries, which I'm an Aries too. And so sometimes when I see his tweets, I like them because I'm like, Zan, he's funny. But he's an Aries, so of course he's going to be funny. But I don't actually watch him. No, like, nothing against these people. I just don't watch these people. I don't really watch a lot of, like, makeup channels. So, I'm not, like, you could find, I'm not, I feel like it's so funny, like, you're copying this person, and it's like, maybe they're copying me because, girl, I don't watch them. So, anyways, this is the Infallible Pro Matte, and yeah, I'm just having fun. Like, I'm just me and my camera. I'm just trying to have fun, okay? Yeah, it's just sometimes to blend the situation, you know? Okay, then I got a sheer lip gloss. Now, sometimes my purse is much fuller than this, and sometimes, you know, it is a bit more empty. This is a LA Colors lip gloss that looks disgusting right now, but I'm still gonna use it. I got this at Urban Planet. And then I got gum here that escaped the little pack. And then I got receipts. Usually I always have a bunch of receipts, but recently, like, I cleaned up my purse a little bit. And then this, oh, this was good. This was expensive, but this was good. This is a place in Gatineau called, it's like the Japanese place. I cannot pronounce this. Haru and Izakaya. I don't know. It was like, you know, I don't mind spending coin on food, but it got to be good. It was $54 with tip. and it was freaking fabulous. I had 2 drinks, 2 margaritas, and I had good food. Like, it was so good. It was so good. Okay, and then I got a little car. I get my nails done at a place which I tried on like a different polish. I get my nails done in Gatineau in Le Promenade, and I go to TNT Nails and I go see Sunny, which he's my favorite because he does my nails. Like, I like them. And this color that I got is gel, but it's number 53. It's like a really pretty purple, which I have to get a fill. But like, I don't know, do I get this color again? I really like this color. Anyways, they give you like a little card, and so you get $5 off eventually. Okay, then I have the CoverGirl Exhibitionist mascara, which I really like. I've been wearing recently the YSL the curler mascara, but it's almost empty, so yeah. But I keep mascara usually in my bag. Canadians they say, I feel like I don't sound that Canadian. I sound like something, but not necessarily Canadian. It is so funny. Again, my little cousin, she says bag like a Canadian, you know. It is so funny. It is so funny. And yeah, you can definitely tell, like, when I start watching, and I mean, I guess I sound French Canadian. I work so hard not to get the French Canadian accent. No offense, no offense, but it's not the nicest accent, okay? Like, let's get, did I offend a bunch of people now? Probably. But I work really hard on my English, you know, not to get like the accent too much. And sometimes people, like, if I had a few drinks, I definitely sound French Canadian, but I sound like something. I just don't, I know I don't sound Canadian because I don't say like sorry and stuff like that, you know, and bag. But you know, anyways, I have this Alien Mugler little perfume stick. Now Mugler Alien is the one perfume in life you don't need to touch up, you know, but I like the smell. I like the smell, you know. So I do have this in my purse, and it's nice. It's like a little crayon. It's really nice. It smells so good. But I have this because let's say I was wearing like creme de nude from MAC, which lasts, you know, but like, let's say I was out and I was like, damn, I'm really trying to, like, you know, so I would just go like this and like this. Right now I'm wearing Pink Sugar from Aquilina, which this one as well lasts for a while. So I have that, and then I also have this one, which is Black Opium. Now I don't have the original Black Opium. I have the Black Opium Floral Shock as a perfume, but I got this in PR. It's like, you know, they're getting really creative with the freaking perfume thing. Like, this is like a felt tip, not a felt tip, but you know, like one of those like lip gloss applicators. I'm like, can I get a spray? Can I get a spray? But yeah, it smells really nice. But yeah, I don't have the original Black Opium, but this is the original. But like, I like to spray, you know. This you can only go like, you know. But anyways, I still have it because you never know. And it's small. So okay, now recently I've been wearing Myth a lot from MAC, which I got as a bag to MAC, girl, so it was free. It was free. I mean, I own like 50, 60 lipsticks from MAC, so it was definitely not free, but you know. Okay, then recently I've been going through my stuff and I found, wow, 16 minutes of like nothing. I've been going through my stuff and I found this. It's the Crushed Lip Color from Bobbi Brown, and this is in the shade Baby. And recently I've been liking like pink lips. I don't know if it's the blonde hair. And my hair, is my hair blonde? I really like my hair color, which I just did a video on my hair color if you're interested. But yeah, I feel like this suits me a lot more. It's not too pale, you know, which I'm not a pale blonde. It's not me, I don't think, you know. Maybe with a wig or something I could try it eventually, but I don't know. I would like do some little highlights at the end, but I just feel like super blonde is not me, you know. And I went through all this trouble to be like, no girl, it's not you. Anyways, and then my lip gloss that I have with me is the Fenty Beauty in Fussy, which is really nice. Let me add some. I feel like the lighting is kind of weird, but do you like if I film here, like just a little video? I feel like this is very old school. Like, lighting is terrible. I thought for nothing. Okay, and then little pen. And then I have one of those, which kind of sucks, but I have it. And then I have one of those, which is great. And then I have, ooh, I got some tampons. I like these. These are the, I don't know what brand, but I have a heavy flow, so I always get the super, or sometimes the extra super, like the super. So yeah. Okay, and then I got $1. I got $20 in my packet, and then I got a bunch of like pieces of gum that is not in the packaging, and then I got an elastic. I got my house key because I don't drive, so that's the only key I need, and sometimes I don't even have it with me, so how about that? Oh, and then I got a toonie and just a bunch of crap. So yeah. So anyways, that was everything in my bag. Sometimes I carry it like this, which is very like early 2000s, you know, which I'm kind of liking this. I'm kind of liking, hopefully like it comes back. Anyways, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you like more, let me know if you mind if I film here, you know, if it's like dark out and I just feel like filming, let me know. So yeah, thank you for watching my video. If you're not subscribed, you'd be missing out. You would be missing out if you don't. So subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram at Zadori, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Okay, bye.